Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the UPSC previous year economy questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to crack the upcoming prelims exam. Okay, and also how to find the easiest question. Okay, and also how to crack the questions with the basic knowledge. Okay, and also how to choose the easiest question first. Okay, how to solve it in the first 1 hour. Okay. So all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, which one of the following links all the ATMs in India? See, this is one of the easiest question. Okay, this is actually the direct current affair question. Okay, so at that time period only the NPCI is in the news. Okay, so it is actually the National Payment Corporation of India. Okay, so the National Payments Corporation of India is an initiative taken by the Reserve Bank of India and the Indian Bank Association to operate the retail payment and settlement systems in India. Okay, this organization was founded in the year of 2008. Okay, under the Payment and Settlement System Act of 2007. Okay, it has been incorporated as the not-for-profit company under Section 8 companies. Okay, so it is actually using the National Financial Switch system. Okay, NFS. Okay, it is actually using this system to make all this payment and settlement act setup. Okay, so this is the one of the thing you have to know that. Okay, see, in 2017 itself, they asked 2 questions related to that. Okay, see, it is actually the completion of 10 year. So they asked the question from that NPCI is 2 questions. Okay, at the time period itself, it is they asked 2 questions from the NPCI. Okay, because it is a 10-year completion of the starting of the NPCI. Okay, how to study any current affair means this is the way. Okay, if anything is completed 5 years or else 10 years, okay, or else 15 years or 25 years, means then you have to focus on that thing. Okay, so they will definitely ask a question from that. Okay, so such a way you have to study it. Okay, thank you.